0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey YouTube family, it's Kaysa from Totally Designs, and I am here to show you what I got from Joann's today. Now, it was a very small haul, y'all, because I needed to get some supplies that I actually needed, and I needed to get some more of these simply because I am working on a project right now and I ran out of these. And the project is simply a beautiful project that I did, that I'm working on, and this color really embellishes the animal print that I'm working with, so I decided to get some more of these. Now, I talked to you guys in a previous video and I told you I was going to actually go and get some more of these because I am going to do a necklace for one of my bracelets that I made, and I'm going to actually intertwine the blue and the red together. Now, I wind up getting 5 of these, and I got 6 of these because, again, I am going to be making earrings and I am going to be making a necklace, hopefully, if I have enough. If not, I'll go back and get some more of these. Now, ironically, guys, there was a sale for $2.99. I had no idea that Joann's was having any type of sale. Usually they send me something, but I probably ignored it because it was not in my plan to really go to Joann's Fabric. Now, let me show you what else I got. I wind up getting some more of these. I actually made a necklace out of these before. I really love these. These are they are the plastic, which I call acrylic, same thing. They remind me of little disco balls. I got 4 of those. They come 10 on a strand, and I am going to make another necklace with these. I really love the necklace that I made the last time, and voila, however you pronounce the word. But anyway, last but not least, I did wind up getting some more of these beautiful chain. I love working with this chain. This is the chain that I use when I am doing my charm necklaces, and I really love the thickness of it. I got also the chain in gold, and I only got 3 of each because I really don't need a whole bunch, although I am going to be working on a new line with these particular one, but I also have some left over. So again, I just only got the bare essentials this time, guys, because I didn't need a whole lot. And basically I just needed things to finish my project. So I didn't go overboard this time, which is really good, because I already told you that my inventory level, my bead level, is ridiculous, but it'll keep me busy, right? Anyway, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. Thank you for your beautiful compliments, and thank you for watching my videos. And until the next video, happy beading.